In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Query Language, or JQL, to search Jira like an expert. If you work with lots of tickets across projects, boards, and teams, basic filters can get limiting very quickly. JQL gives you a much more precise way to find exactly what you need, whether that's bugs in progress, high priority work, or issues assigned to you. It's Jira's advanced search language, and once you understand the basics, it becomes a huge time saver. To get started, open Jira in your web browser and sign into your workspace through your company's Jira site or the Atlassian login page. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation, open the Filters menu, and choose View All Issues or Advanced Issue Search, depending on your layout. This opens the main search workspace where you'll build your queries. When the search screen opens, you may land in the basic filter view first. If that happens, look to the right side of the filter area and click Go to JQL. If you already see a text input bar for search commands, then you're already in the advanced editor and ready to go. This view gives you a clean command bar where you can type search logic directly. Now let's cover the core structure of JQL. Every query is built from three parts: a field, an operator, and a value. The field is what you're searching, the operator defines the comparison, and the value is the thing you want to match. A simple example would be project equals CIE. In the search bar, type project equals quote CIE quote. That tells Jira to return issues from that specific project. Next, you can narrow your results by combining conditions with logical operators like and, or, and not. For example, you could expand your query to project equals quote CIE quote and status equals quote in progress, quote and priority equals quote high quote. Press enter, and Jira will filter the results down to only the high priority issues currently in progress for that project. You can also use functions and date-based logic to make searches more dynamic. For instance, type project equals quote CIE, quote and assignee equals current user open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and due date less than or equal to quote 2026 06 to 26 quote. This is useful for tracking work assigned to you and checking what is due by a certain date. If you're not comfortable writing JQL from scratch, Jira may also offer an AI-powered search option. Use the AI toggle in the search area and type a request in plain English, such as asking for critical bugs updated in the last 48 hours. Jira can translate that into JQL for you, which is a great shortcut when you're still learning the syntax. Before you finish, check that the query is valid. Jira usually shows a visual confirmation, such as a green checkmark, when the syntax is correct. Also, make sure the issue list matches what you expected. Once everything looks right, click Save Filter and give it a clear name so you can reuse it anytime. That's it. You now know how to open Jira's advanced search, write a basic JQL query, combine conditions, use dynamic filters, try AI assisted search, and save your results for future use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.